Okay, guys, I hope everyone joined now. Let's start with our session. So I'm sharing my screen. If it is visible, just type yes over the chat section. So I hope everyone able to see my screen. Is it? Yes or no? I hope I'm audible too. Okay, that's good. This is the Linux session, guys. So today we are going to into the Linux part, like whatever the commands that you needed to get into your course, basically. Now you must be wondering why we are having this Linux session, why we are learning Linux. So see, the program that you enroll in, most of the time you are interacting with the Linux shell, or you can say that Linux machine. So you guys already had your lab setup class? Lab setup class is done for you or not? Yes, guys, do you have your lab? Okay, no. So not an issue. See, so in the future when you have your lab setup class, you are going to configure two kinds of machine. One is your attacker machine, that is your Linux based, Kali Linux or the Parrot OS, and the second might be your Windows machine, that is the victim machine. Okay, so for this class, what we are going to do, we are going to use an online platform. Okay, there is an online platform naming Killer Coda is there. So I'm sharing certain links to you because it helps us to run our commands online. So this is the site that you need to go to. It, check the chat section, guys. I shared one link. And here you can see playground is there. Go to this playground. And after that, when you scroll it down, you will get this Ubuntu. So that is the one that we're going to check. So sign in by using any of the method. I use my Google email ID. I agree terms and condition. Save and see. This is what the shell you get. This is the terminal where we can work on it for this session. So I'm sharing this link to you. So just check it. I paste a direct link. Pankaj, go to the link that I shared. Sign up, and then you can get this link. This terminal. Once you're done with that, guys, give me the explanation. Satya, I'm sharing one link to you. You just need to sign up. Look at the link that I shared. Just sign up, and once you get this terminal, let me know. Everyone. Everyone is ready, guys. I hope everyone able to sign up. Yes, you can use your personal email ID. For everyone, is there anyone who are having any kind of issue? Let me know. So I'm sharing the link again. Those who join late, please do sign up. Last 2 minutes for everyone, then we can start. I share the link again in the chat section. Yes, Mubarak, you can use the Kali Linux, okay? I also had the Kali Linux. So it's totally up to you. If you already had a Linux machine, you can use it. Not an issue. See, after 60 minutes, we can refresh this page, okay? So again, it will give us the more 60 minutes. Okay, guys, I hope everyone is ready. Now let's start with that, okay? So if I ask you one general question, guys, what is the basic task you do with your system? So what you say? If I ask you what are the basic tasks you do with your system, the system that you're using, so what do you say? Yes? See, so what I assume, like what I did basically, we are creating a file, we are creating a folder, we are doing some operation on it, is it? We're doing the browsing. These are the basic tasks that we did, is it? The same way, guys, similar way, we can do all these things by using the command because the course that you enroll in, once in the future when you have your lab set up, see, this is how your lab look like, where you configure this Kali, Linux, Windows, and the other machine. So you need to use to work on the terminal, okay, on this Linux shell. So to work on that, you should be know that command for that, okay, and this is the reason we are learning. Yes, from correct, ls cd and the other part. So the first command that we learn is the how should you create a text file. So for that, what you are having command is touch space the name of the file, okay. And one more thing you need to remember, guys, while using this terminal is the case sensitive. Case sensitive means if you are typing your command in the wrong case, like in the uppercase or something, it will not work. What is the first command that you are having? Touch space the name of the file that you want to create. Let's suppose that I want to create one.txt. I want to create this file. So I just type touch space the name of the file. I hit enter. Now I hit enter, I move to the next line. How should I confirm it, whether it's created or not? So now there is another command is there, that is the ls. Now what the ls will do, let's suppose that this is the box that you are having. Inside the box you are having A, B, C. Okay, so if you type ls, it will list out it. Okay, so what are the things are there over here? If you type ls in the current location abc, so it will show you like there is abc. So now if I want to list what are the different things that are there in the present location where I'm working in, so what should it listen? Ls, hit enter. See, there is a two thing, one.txt that I created and file system that is present by default. So execute two commands and let me know if you're done with that. Just wait, Mubarak. We can discuss every command one by one. Okay. So in as of now, just focus on in these two commands that we discussed. And as the session goes, we are jumping towards every command. Guys, is it these two commands are done? Now we talk about like in this location, what are the things are present. Now, how should we know that which location we are talking about it? So for that, we are having the command name pwd. PWD, present working directory. Directory means the folder simply. In the Windows, we refer to as folder, but here in the Linux system, we are calling it a directory. So as of now, we are working inside the root. So how should you assume it? there is one folder naming root. This is the root that you are having. Inside that you created one.txt, is it? And second one, what you are having? You are having this file system that are present by default. Got it? Now, so now you know the three commands. Touch to create a file. Now ls to list out the things in a location where you are working in. Now pwd to check the location where you are working in. Got it? Now if I say I want to create a multiple file, so does it mean that every time I need to use this touch, like touch 2.txt, 3.txt, 4.txt? No. What should I do if I want to create a multiple file? Touch space the first file name, space the second file name, space the fourth file name, like this. And once I hit enter, now how should I verify it whether these things are created or not? What is the command for that? Yes, ls. Yes, very good. Now if I type lsc, these three files got created. And guys, one more thing, no need to make any notes. I will share this entire commands to you in a notepad file at the end of the session, so no need to make any notes. Just listen it, try to understand it, and execute it. PW means present working directory, like which location you're currently working in. I'm working inside the root. Okay, like there is root folder is there where you are making the operation. Is it done, guys? Now you know that how should you create a file. Now let's move to what, how should you create a folder. Now to create a folder, you are having a command naming mkdir. Mkdir and the name of the folder. What the folder I want to create? I want to create a folder X. Hit enter. Now if you do lsc, X got created. Now same way, if you want to make a multiple folders or directory, what should you do? Mkdir space for first folder name, space second folder name. Now if you type lsc, these two folders got created. Guys, do it till here and let me know once you're done with that. I hope it is done for everyone. Now there is command naming clear is there. If you type clear, it will clear the terminal. It will not delete anything, but it will clear it. Now you know that how you can create a file, how you can create a folder. Now the next thing, that how should you add a content inside a file. Now as of now, if I talk about, I'm having these files. Now if I want to check what is this file contains of, like what the content it contains of. So how should I do the display of this file? To check a content, cat space one.txt. Now when I type cat one.txt, if I hit enter, see nothing is there. Why? Because this is the empty file. Now next step, how should you add a content? So for that you are using the text edit, like you had the notepad in the Windows file, is it? Similar way we do have some kinds of text editor in the Linux. One of the common use is the nano space the name of the file where you want to make change, 1.txt, like this, nano space the name of the file, hit enter. Now see, you are inside this nano. Now I'm writing my name. This is deep. Once you're done with the content, control S to save, control X to exit. What are the two key combination that you use? Control S to save and control plus X to exit. Add something, first save it, then exit. Now again, if you check that cat1.txt, see, content is written inside it. Earlier it is not there, but once you use this nano, it is there. Add some content, guys, and let me know it's working for you or not. Control plus S to save, control plus X to exit. First, see, nano, you write your content, control plus S to save. Now control X to exit. Is it done? Guys, is it done for everyone? Okay, that's great. So now, as of now, what you learned till, yes, so that is the editor that we are talking about. See, nano editor. Type your content, control S to save, control X to exit. Cat is used to get the display of a file. Now see, now if I want to check what is the file, like what are the content inside that, how should I get the display? Cat space 1.txt, like this. Now see, I'm able to see the display. Till here, guys, everyone is clear about it. Yes. Okay, now that's great. Now, guys, so what we learned so far, you know that how should you create a file, how should you create a folder, how should add a content inside a file like this, is it? How should you get a display? Now, the next thing, how should you copy from one place to another? Now, let's suppose that this is the X folder is there. Now, if I want to check what is the things inside this X, so what should I do? I type ls space X. Now, see, nothing is there. This is the reason I'm getting nothing. Now, which location I'm working in? How should I check it? PWD. As of now, I'm the root. So how should you assume it? Here is this root folder. Inside that you created XYZ. Is it? This is what you created so far. Now, next thing. Now this is a root. Now you want to go inside this X. So what should you do? So for that you are having a command naming what? CD. Yes. Change the X. As of now you are in the root. Now where I want to go? I want to go inside this X. Now see. Here two things will happen, guys. If this root and this particular folder are present at the first step. You don't need to type a whole location. You just type cd and the x name of the folder. Go inside. But what if something is present outside the root? Or let's suppose that there is a jet folder. Inside jet there is another folder. In that case, you need to provide the whole path. Okay. So let me tell you how it should be. So as of now, we are in the root. So where we want to go? We want to go inside this x. Now we know that x is present inside this root only. So what should I type? Cd space x. Now if I again check my location pwd, it is changed now. Go inside this directory guide cdx and let me know it's working or not. Yes, Pankaj, what is the question you have? Let me know. Everyone able to navigate it? Now, now you are in the X. So what the command for that? How should I go inside this jet? Yes, now let me know. If you executed this command, how should you go inside this jet? Yes, what is the command for that? Okay, someone is saying cd jet. Let's try it out. If you type cd jet, see, it will not work. Why it is not working, guys? Look at this structure. Now, so what we are having? We are having this root folder. Is it? Inside root, you are having this X. Now you are here. Now where you want to go? You want to go inside this jet. So if you type cd space jet, it will look inside the X. So what? How should you go navigate to the jet? So for that, what should you do? Cd first. You need to go inside the root. Then after that, where you want to go? You want to go inside this jet. So let's try it out. So how should you go inside cd first root then jet like this? Because this is the whole path for that, because cd jet will not work because jet is not present inside it. Hit enter. Now if you take pwdc, it is there. Guys, I hope I'm audible for everyone. Yes or no? Okay, is this part is clear? Try it out and let me know it's working for you or not, everyone. Now, yes, that is very good question. See, most of these are the general commands that we are using. So these are applicable for the every Linux distribution. Okay. But there are some specific commands are there which will work according to the base, like whatever the Linux architecture they are following. Okay. Like some of the Linux, like as of now we are using this Ubuntu. It's based on the Debian one. So here we are using the package manager apt. So once we discuss that part, I will let you know. Your screen isn't like this. Which one you're talking about? Guess is this part is done till here? Yes or no? What is the issue you have, Amjad? Just refresh that page if you are having a trouble. Guys, sometimes it got stuck also, okay, because it's an online server that we are using. So it could possible. Just refresh it if you're not able to find it. Now, guys, let's discuss the next part. Okay. Now we know that how should we navigate also. Now the next thing, what is the content inside this X? How should I check it? I type ls space X. Okay, now nothing is there. Now I want to copy this one.txt from here to X. What should I do? I type cp command. Cp is for copy. Cp space. What you want to copy? I want to copy one.txt. Okay. Space where you want to copy the full path. I want to copy inside X. How it should be the command? Cp space the name of the file that you want to copy space the location where you want to copy. Hit enter. Now if you type ls, okay, everything looks normal. Now if you type ls space X, let's check inside whether it's copied or not. See, one.txt is there. Earlier it is not there, but it is copied now. Copy it and let me know it's working for you or not. Guys, is it done? Okay. Now you know that how should you copy it, but what if you want to move it? In that case, what should you do? Let's suppose that you don't want to copy this 2.txt inside this jet. You want to move it. For that, you are having the command naming mv. Mv space. What is the file that you want to move? Same syntax, 2.txt. Where we want to move? I want to move inside this jet, the location. Now, if you type ls, okay, see 2.txt is disappear from here. If you check inside this jet, see it is here. Try it out and let me know it's working or not. Done, guys. Okay, that's great. Now put a space, Amjad. See, what is the command that I use? I use the command mv space, the name of the file space where you want to move, like this. Now, guys, as of now, we are talking about the how should you copy the file and how should you move a file. Now, what if you want to copy a folder? Now, see, as of now, I'm having this X folder. Now, I want to copy this X folder inside Y. Inside Y, nothing is there. So, what should I do? I type cp, same command, but extra argument is added, that is hyphen r. Yes, yes, you can move any file. Cp space hyphen r. Now, after that, what should you type? Again, the same formula. Cp hyphen r in the case of folder. What is the folder that you want to copy? X folder. Where you want to copy? I want to copy inside Y. Now, if you type ls, see everything is there. Now, if you type lsy, see it is copied. Try it out and let me know it's working. Okay, hyphen r stand for recursive basically. Okay, when you want to move entire folder along with its file and folder, is it done? Now, guys, in the case of folder, you don't need to specify any hyphen r. In the case of MV, see, as of now, if I want to move this Y, no, see, this is the reason. Just use it. The best thing about the Linux, guys, if you're giving the wrong input, it will not work. You will get your answer, Sunny. Now, see what we are having. We are having this Y. I want to move with MV Y. Where you want to move? Inside jet. See, ls, Y is gone. If you type ls jet, see, it is inside jet. Check it out and let me know. To move this folder, I just move this folder Y inside this jet. Yes, it's right. Now see, someone mentioned that can we use this R only? Now see, I'm doing the same thing again. Now we have this X. Inside X, what am I having this file? Is it? Now cp hyphen R. Is it? What do you want to copy? I want to copy this X. Now where you want to copy? Jet. Now ls, everything is good. Ls jet, see, it is there. Guys, still here, everything is done. So see what we discussed so far. Now we know that how to create a file, how to create a folder, how should you copy it, how should you move it, how should you go inside it, is it? So these are the things that we done. How should you add a content? These things are we discuss right now. So is there anyone who are having any confusion, any issue in these things that we discussed so far? Yes? Anyone? Nope, everyone is clear about it? Everything? Is it? Now let's go for the next part if it is clear about you. Now, some commands, guys, are used in the many ways. Many ways in the terms having the different use also. Okay, so if I ask you one simple question, what is the use of MB command? What should you say? If I say to you, what is the use of MB command? What should you say? Yes, to move, is it? See, copy means both the files, the original file is also there, you're making a copy of it. Moving means you are replacing it in the new location. That is the difference, subject. Now see, yes, move. Now what if I tell you MB is also used for rename? How it should be? See, 1.txt is there. So what is the consent inside this 1.txt? This is written. Now I want to rename this 1.txt. What should I do? MV. What is the old name? 1.txt. What I want to make this 1.txt? I want to make it 11.txt. Now if you do LSC, 1 is gone. And now 11 is there. Now if I check the content, see, you can rename it. Now guys, check for the folder and let me know it's working for you or not. Check rename a folder by using this MB and let me know it's working for you or not. Working for the folder, is it clear also? For the next part. Now as of now you know about how should you copy, how should you move, how should you add a content also, is it? Now the next thing, how should you delete? Let's go for that part. So as of now, if I want to delete this 11.txt, what should I do? rm 11.txt. Hit enter, see, it is removed. Now I want to remove multiple files. rm space 3.txt space 4.txt, like this. Hit enter, now see, it is deleted. Now in case of folder, if you want to delete a folder, so you need to use this hyphen r. rm space hyphen r. Now what is the folder name? X. Hit enter. ls, see, it is gone. rm space hyphen r. Now z, ls, it's gone. Do this thing, remove it and let me know it's working for you or not. Everyone do it till here and let me know it's working for you or not. Yes, I hope these things are clear for everyone. Yes. Okay, so I'm pasting a command that we discussed so far. Let me know if you are having any confusion, any issue on this. Can we go for the next part now? Yes. Okay. Now let's go for the next part. So now these are the basic command that you should know, guys. Okay. Now you know that how should you delete it, how should you copy it, how should you move it. Is it? Now the next part. Next part, there are some commands that help us you to organize your file. Okay. So now let's go for one by one. No, Praval, you can use that for the folder. Okay. That is for the folder. So see, if you are deleting from the permanently from the command line, so it's not an easy way to recover it. Okay. Now the next thing, there are some other commands that you should know. So for that, guys, to explain you the next part, I'm going to create one file. Let me create it. So I'm creating one file nano space one.txt. Okay. So I'm writing a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, don't worry about it. Why should I do this thing? I will give you the meaning for it. Okay, let me create second file 2.txt where that is for the recursive. See, hyphen r means recursive. Yes, that is used to delete your folders basically along with his files and folder. Okay, so here I'm writing it. Okay, so I created two files, guys. Is it? Now see what are the two files I created, 1.txt, 2.txt over it. In the 1.txt you have the line numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the 2.txt I write my name with the different cases. Okay, sometime I use the all the uppercase, sometime I use the mix of it, sometimes I use the lowercase. Now what if you're dealing with a file and you want to check the top 10 lines? How should you check that top 10 lines? Let's suppose that you are having a file with having the 100 or 200 lines. So how should you check the top 10 lines of it? So for that you are having the command naming head. Head. Now the name of the file. What is the name of the file? 1.txt. See? So I'm able to see the top 10 lines. Now if I want to check the how many lines are there, total numbers of content, 1.txt. See, I am having 30. But if I want to check the top 10, I use this head command. Try it out and let me know it's working or not. See, it you need to have the 10 lines, then it will show you. Okay, if you have the 3 lines, so then it will not show you the 10 lines. This is the reason I created a file with having the 13 lines. Check it out and let me know it's working or not. We are coming into that part also. How should you check the 5 lines also? First execute this one. Now, this is for the 10 lines, guys, because by default it is showing the 10 lines if you are using the head. What if you want to check 3 or 4 lines from the starting? So what you are having command head again. Now hyphen it. How many lines you want to check? I want to check four lines. Which file? 1.txt. Now see, only 4 lines are displayed. Same way you can display the 5, 6, 7, 8 line, whatever the lines you want from the starting. Let do it and let me know it's working for you or not. Yes, is it done? Done? Okay. Now same way guys, if I want to check for the bottom, what should I do? Now same way if I want to check from the bottom. So we have the command naming tail. Tail space 1.txt. So what it does, it will show me the 10 lines from the bottom. See? Now similar way, if you want to check only 3 lines from the bottom, so tail hyphen n, then 1.txt. So hyphen n, I give 4 lines from the bottom. See, 4 lines from the bottoms are there. Use this thing and let me know it's working or not. Okay. Now you must be wondering what if you want to check the specific line, not from the top, not from the bottom. In that case, what should you are doing? Now let's go for that part also. So now I'm having a file. Okay. So see, I'm having the file. Which file? In which I'm having these many lines. Is it 1 to 30? Now I want to check for the specific line. So what should I do? I use the set command. Set. Now let's suppose that I want to check from third line to eighth line. Okay, so what should I do? Set hyphen it. Hyphen it. Now this quote. Now from which line? I want to check from the third line, comma, till eighth line I want to check. P for print. Okay, set hyphen n from third line to eighth line. Now which file I'm talking about? I'm talking about 1.txt. See, from third to eighth are there. Try this thing. Those who want wondering like how should you print the specific line, so you can use this one. This see what am I having? As of now, I'm having a file which contains these numbers of lines. Okay. Now I want to check for the fifth to ninth. Earlier, what we check? Earlier we check from the starting from the bottom. Now I want to check from the middle, from fifth to ninth. What should you do? For that, you having this set command, set hyphen n. Okay. Now quote from which line you want to see? I want to see from fifth line, comma till from fifth to till what? Till 12th line. P for print. Now 1.txt like this. Now see from 5th to 12th are there. I hope it's clear for everyone. That is the syntax of it, Mohan. That is the syntax of it. So how should a particular compiler or this particular shell know that what you are doing if you combine in a everything in a one go? But then which part I need to repeat? Let me know. So set hyphen n. From which line you want to see? I want to see from 5th to 12th. The name of the file. See from 5th to 12th are there. Guys, is it done for everyone? Can we go for the next part now? Yes, I will be sharing entire commands to you at the end of the session. Don't worry about it. Yes. Now guys, let's go for the next part now. Now you know about how you can check for the specific line. What if you want to print only specific line, not from range, from 5th to 8, from to 8 to 8, not like that. Only 7th or 8th line like this. What should you do? Set hyphen n. Now again the code. Which line you want to print? I want to print 6 line. Okay, 6p. Which file? 1.txt. Only see 6 file is there. Now if you want to provide a range, just add a range from 2 comma 6. So it will print from second to 6. Only 6, only 6 like this. Try it out and let me know it's working for you or not. Done working for you. Okay, Vedansi, how should you add it? There are various ways to do that. By using this nano editor. Nano space the name of the file. It is open nano space the name of the file. Now it is open like this. Write something whatever you want. Control S to save, Control X to exit. What are the two key combination that you need to inside it after writing your data? Control plus S to save, Control plus X to exit. Yes, Anup, we are doing the same thing. See, we are learning all these commands. Guys, is it done till here? Now the next thing, guys. What if you want to print all the lines but not the specific lines? How to camp the any data in a text file? See, we just added a data Pankaj by using this nano. Now see, we have these lines. Now in this file, guys, what you are having, I'm having this all these lines. Is it? cat1.txt like this. Now I want to print all the lines but not the eighth line. What should I do? See, so what should I do for that? I type set. Now which line I don't want to print? I don't want to print this eighth line. Okay, it is expired. Let me refresh. Guys, see, if it is expired, just refresh it. Now refresh it, so it will give you the extra chance. Okay, now see, for this environment is another. Now again, I want to create a file for that. So nano 1.txt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now see. So what I want to print, I want to print all the lines, but not the seventh line. What should I do? Set. Which line I don't want to print? Seventh one. Is it? Now which file I'm talking about? 1.txt. Now see. Every line is there except the 7. If you don't want to print D, if you want to print, that is the P. Now, similar way, if you don't want to print from 5th to 10th, what should you do? Same way, like we did earlier. 5th, comma, changes to the 10th, D. See, every line is there, but not from 5th to 10th. Do this thing and let me know it's working for you or not. The machine, the lab that going to configure is the Kali or the Parrot OS, okay, which is a similar as the same distribution as the Ubuntu. So the command that you are using over here will work for the next lab setup for you. This is the reason we picked this Ubuntu. Till here it is done for everyone. Okay. Now let's go for the next command, guys. Okay. So now for to execute the next command, what should I do? I create another file, nano1.txt. Now I'm making some changes over here. What is the change I make over here? I write my name in the different cases. You can also do the same thing, guys. Why I'm doing it, I will get you the meaning of it. Okay, don't worry about it. Now see, I created a file where I use the same word. Yes, any file. See, I'm doing it the 1.txt. You can do it in the 2.txt if you want. No, no, for the Windows command line, it will not work, Pankaj. Windows command line is entirely a different thing. Okay, so these command will not work over there. Now see, I created a file. What is the in this file? I'm having all these things. Now the next command is about how should you find the pattern inside a file. As of now, we are printing a line, is it? How should you check the pattern inside a file? Now to do so, we have the grep command. Grep. Now what you are searching? I'm searching this deep word. Where you are searching this deep word? I want to check that whether this deep word is there or in this 1.txt or not. Hit enter. If it is there, it gives you the highlighted this thing. Check it. Then I will tell you the different cases of this script. Not an issue. Create it. Let do this task and let me know once where everyone is done with that. You want to copy any from the same file for repeating things? Sorry, I'm not able to get you, Pankaj. No, it's not the double quote. This is the way that I write. I want to check whether this deep is there inside this one.txt or not. See, if I go inside this one.txt, deep is there, na? Is it? This is the reason it highlighted it over here. Everyone check it. Is it working for everyone? Is it done for everyone? Now let's go for the next part. Now, so as of now, we know that whether this word is there or not. What if I want to check to get the line number of that word? Like the word that I'm searching, how should I get the line number? Like in which line it is? So what should I do? I type the same command grep. Here this time I'm using hyphen n. Hyphen n, which word I'm talking about is deep. Now one.txt. Now if I type it, see, it is saying that deep is there in the second line. Now let's check manually whether this deep is there or not in the second line. See, it is there. Use this thing. Guys, do it fast and let me know it's working or not. By using CP only, Pankaj, the same thing that we copy. Instead of location, just give the file name where you want to copy that data. Or by using the cat also you can do the same. Guys, is it done for every? I know that what is the lineup. Now, what if I want to search the everything, like every pattern that is the deep content? What should I do? I type grep. Now, I for the in case sensitive. I'm not looking for the deep only. I want to look for the combination of the word which contains D, double E, and P also. See, if I type this thing, every deep is listed over here. No matter it is written in the uppercase, lowercase, mix of it. When you use this hyphen I, try this thing also. Everyone. Is it working for everyone? Done for everyone. Grep help us to get you the pattern. Now see, let me repeat it from the starting. As of now, I'm having a file naming cat1.1.txt. We are having all these things. Now I want to looking for this pattern deep over here. So how should I verify it, whether it is there or not? Grep. Now which pattern I'm looking for? I'm looking for this deep. Where I want to looking it in that 1.txt. If it is there, it will give me output like this. Now you get the output. Now you want to know in which line it is. Which line it is. So you are adding hyphen n for that. How should you do? Hyphen n like this. So it will tell you that it's in the second line. Now you want to look for the every deep, no matter how this deep is written over there. Hello, yes, I hope it's visible for everyone. Okay, see, what is this? Cat1.txt is there. So you are having all these words. So what you look for, you are looking for this deep word, whether this thing is there inside or not. So you are using this grep. Once you execute this grep, it will tell that okay, this is there. Now the next thing, you want to check the line number also, like where this div is there, in which line, in the second line. See, this is how it is. Then for everyone. Now see, if you want to look for the every div that is there, no matter which cases it is written, you are using this hyphen I. Now deep. Yes, we can take a break, guys. Just wait. Let me finish this part first about the grip. See, every deep is there. Now the next thing, let's discuss the last command. Then we can go for a break. Now, what I did, I created one.txt, another copy of it. Let me create one folder. I'm creating a folder Y. Now I'm copying this one.txt inside this. What? Inside this Y. Okay. As of now, we are dealing with the files. Like if we're checking for the file, what if you have a multiple files? In that case, what should you do? How should you check like whether this deep is exist in this location or not? So to do so, what we are using hyphen r. Grep hyphen r. Now, which word you are looking for? I'm looking for this deep. where you are looking at. I am looking for entire root folder. Now if any folder or file contains this deep, it will list me. When I hit enter, see, it is saying that inside this 1.txt deep is there. In the y also it is there. In the 1.txt it is there. It will tell me the location along with the file number where this deep is there. Same way, if I add this hyphen and extra, it will tell me the line number also. See, like this. Try both the things and let me know once you're done with that. The line that you're looking for, like in which line this word is there, that is the one. Yes, you can give, and see, instead of deep, you can give any other word name. It will work for the same. Do it and let me know it's working or not. Guys, is it done for everyone? guys, so let's go for a break, and after the break, let's discuss about some more command. Okay. So I'm putting a timer for everyone. So how many minutes break do we require for this class, guys? Any input from your side? Yes. Okay, 20 is two more. Okay, not 20, not 5. We are going for the 15 minutes break. Okay. Let's go for the 15-minute break, and please do return on 15. So we can go for the next part of it. Guys, I hope everyone is back with the break. Let me know in the chat section. Yes. Okay, let me share my screen, then we can go for the next part of it. Okay, so what we discussed so far, guys, see, we started with the touch, PWD, CD, nano, MB, all these things is done, is it? Now let's go for some advanced command that we are having. And at the end of the session, I will share this file. Don't worry about it, okay? You will get the every detail of it. Now, so to make you the understand next part, guys, I'm going to use my virtual machine, okay? I'm using the Linux terminal, but some of the things will not work as it is in the online one. This is the reason I need to switch for my VM. So you don't need to worry about this VM, guys. You will be having your thing. Got it? Just wait for 2 minutes. Let it be open, then we can start. Okay, guys. See, so as of now, the command that we are executing work as it is. See, X. Now X is created. Now if I want to delete this hyphen R, X, see, X is gone from here. Similar way, guys, the next thing that we're going to discuss about the user and the group. Got it? Like how should you create a user? How should you create a group? Now, what does it mean? As of now, see, I'm working with the Kali, is it? This is my user. Now, how should you create any user in the Linux system? Like the server that you are using, the machine that you are using. This is what we discuss the next part. Now, to make you understand what you need to understand over here, whenever you create any user in the Linux, guys, so what you are having, a group is also being created along with that. Okay, so whenever you created any user, okay, so whenever you created any user, along with that, one group is also being created, the primary group for that. Okay, now user having the UID, that is the user ID, a group having the group ID. Now, what does it mean? Let's suppose that any new student enroll in your class, it belong to the same class, is it? That is the group for you. Now, if you talk about the individual, that is the user. Got it? So as of now, guys, you can see in the shell, this is the dollar symbol you have, is it? So this normal dollar symbol, what it represent? It represents the normal user. Or second thing, it represent your shell is ready to execute the command. Got it? If I want to check which user as of now working in, so I type who am I? See, it is saying that Kali is the user that working in. In your case, there is the root. Because in the Linux, two kinds of user we have, normal user and the root. Some people call it admin also. Some people call it super user also. All the meanings are same. So normal user means having the normal limitation. It means that it having the limited access. Root, admin, super user means it having the all the access of the resource. This is the difference that you have. Guys, about the user, existing part is clear, guys. What is the normal user? What is the root? Yes? Is this part is clear? Can we go for the command? Okay. Now see, in your case, guys, the online version that you are using, the user that you are using, already it's a root. Okay, so you're not able to get the difference between this. Now, if I want to switch to the root user, now what is the limitation do you have? Let's suppose that I want to update this system. Now, if I want to update some packages of the repository, there must be some command is there, is it? So I type apt space update. This is the command. Now, when I hit enter, I'm getting an error. What is the error? I'm having permission denied. You can see it means that my machine, my this user doesn't have the permission to execute this command. In your case it will work. Why so? Because you are the root. Now if I switch to my user, to the root user, see, sudo su, type the password. Now see, notice the change, guys. Now it is a hash. It means that it is root. How should you verify it? Who am I? Who am I? See, I am the root. Now if I'm execute the same command now, apt update, see, it is working without any error. So this is the difference that you have with the normal user and this root user. Is this part is clear, guys? What is the difference? How you can check it? Everyone got this part? Okay. Now let's discuss about the next thing. How should you create a user? Okay. Now as of now we know that there are two kinds of user are there, normal user and the root. Second thing, whenever, yeah, we updating the packages. We can discuss about that part. That is just an example, Pankaj. Okay. When we discuss about the package manager, I will let you know the meaning of it. As of now, just consider I'm updating my packages. Now, so now I'm the root. I type exit. See, I'm again become the normal user. Now the next thing, how should you create a user? Now before that, guys, if you notice this thing, if I use this apt update, it's saying that permission denied. It simple means that this user doesn't have the permission to execute this thing. Now, does it mean that every time I want to execute some command, I want to switch to the root? No. How should you do it without switching to root? That is what is there sudo. If you add sudo before any command, your machine will think you're giving an input as a root. Now see, I'm executing the same command. See, it will work without any error. How so? Because this machine will think I'm giving an input as a root. So this is what the sudo will do. Got it? Now, if this part is clear, now let's go for the next part. What is that? How should you add a user? So now if I want to create a user, what should I do? Sudo add user. Now which user? The name of the user. I want to create a user naming Deep. You can give your name. Sudo add user Deep. Hit enter. Now it will ask you the password. Password 1234. Hit enter. Retype the password 1234. Now guys, when you type a password, it will never reflect on the terminal. Just need to type it and hit enter. Now it is asking the full name. I'm not giving any full name. Enter. Room number. Enter. Work phone. Enter. 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 Is this information correct? Why? Hit enter. Now my user got created. Do till here. Then we will check how we can check it. Execute this command till here, guys, and let me know once you're finished. Till here it is clear. Now guys, how should you verify it whether it is created or not? So for that we are having get ent space passwd. That is the file, guys. That is the database file where all the user information are stored. Now which user I want to check? I want to check for this Deep. Hit enter. Now see, if you are getting this line, it means that your user is created inside a system. I will help, guys. You have a separate class for that. Don't worry about it. Okay. These commands will work inside the killer code also. When you have your lab set up, I will let you know how you can create it. As of now, instead of focusing on the Kali Linux, just focus on these commands. Is it working? See in the killer code also, guys, if I execute this thing. sudo add user deep. See, password 1234, enter. 1234, enter. Full name, enter, enter, enter. Now, other enter. Is this information correct? Press Y, hit enter. Now, again, if I want to check whether it is added or not, get ent, pass wd, space, name of the user deep. And see, it is there. See, that is the user ID that we discussed, and that is the location where it is stored. Okay. PassWD is a file where all the information got stored about the different user. Now see, if I just only type get ent passwd, that is the file. See, this file having these various user. Okay, and at the last you will check your latest user that you created. Got it? Guys, it is done till here or not? Let me know. Is it done? Guys, everyone, is it done till here? Which part? See, what we discussed, guys. How should we add a user? Sudo add user deep. Is it? Now there is list is there. What is the list name? That is list is a file is a passwd. What is there in the passwd? It will tell us the various users that are there in the system. Is it? Deep, Kali, GPM. Now if you want to check for your user to get a confirmation whether it's created or not, just type get ent passwd, which user you are looking for, Deep. See, this is created like this. Done till here? Okay, guys. Now, this, if you remember at the starting what we discussed about the user ID and the group ID. So how should you check a detail for the same? So for that, we have the command naming ID space the name of the user. Now see, this is the user ID and this is the group ID. Check it. It can be different also, but see, this is the first time that we created, so this is the reason it is same. Now let's suppose that how I want to check the different user that are exist for its system. Let's check it. So how should I check it? Now let's suppose that I want to check the group details of this user. Group space the deep name of the user. Now see, so now this deep user is a part of what group? Deep group that is created by default when we create this user, and the second group from the system. That is the second group that like every user under list this one. Try it out and let me know it's working for you or not. Everyone. Line guys, UID user ID. JID means group ID of this deep user. What is the primary group of this deep? Is the deep itself. That is the group ID. Now group 1001 deep. It belong to which group? It belong to the two group. That is the deep group and this user group. This is what is saying. I hope it's clear for everyone now. And you can check the detail also over here. See. Now this deep is a part of two groups, deep and the users. Deep is created by default when we create this user, and it happening for the everyone. Whenever you create a user, guys, along with the same name, one group is also created. Got it? Later on, you can change it. It's totally up to you. Till here, guys, everything is clear for everyone. Okay. Now the next thing, how should you create a group? Now you know that how should you create a user. Next thing, how should you create a group? So simple, sudo add group. Now, what is the name of the group? I created a group naming tech. Enter. Okay. Now it is created. How should you check that whether it is created or not? Again, by using the same command. Get ent space group space the group name. What is the group name? Tech. Now see, tech is created. And see, 1002. That is the group ID of it. That thing is created, guys. Now group is created itself. Is it? Now if you want to list how many groups are there, if you want to check the whole group, just type get ent group. See, these many groups are there. Now which group you are talking? See, you created this tech group. Now you must be wondering how this deep will come up. Deep is created when you created that deep user. This is the reason it's over here. Everyone is clear about this thing, guys. So what we discussed, guys, we discussed there are two users, normal user, super user, or the root. Now how should you create a normal user? Sudo add user and the name of the user. Now once the user is created, along with that one primary group is created with the same name. User having UID, group having this GID. Now second one, you know that how should you create a group? Sudo add group this. Till here everything is clear for everyone. Yes. Guys, till here it is clear. Now let's check that how should you add a user to a group. Okay. So how should you add it? Let's check that. For that, what should you have command? So first of all, let's check the user. This deep is a part of groups deep. See, this deep is a part of two groups, deep and user, and we created one more group that is tech. Now I want to add this deep in the tech group. So what should I do? Sudo user mode hyphen a hyphen g. Now, which is the group that I want to add? I want to add in a tech group. Which user? Deep user. Now again, if you check the group detail of deep, see tech is also added. Execute this thing and let me know it's working for you or not. Guys, see, if you're learning it first time, yes, it's quite obvious you will get confused also. So don't worry about it. You will get a recording of this session as well as that I will give the command list. So when you practice 2 or 3 times, it will be clear to you. Don't worry about it, okay? It's quite possible it could happen. See, you can use it, but as of now, guys, see, whenever you are using this hyphen G, that will work as a primary group. Now, see, let me create another user, another group first. So I'm creating sudo add user. Now difference the change. Okay, let's see the change. Now I'm creating a group sudo add group non-tech. Okay, this is the group I created. Now I'm executing the same command. Now without this hyphen G, I'm using this small g. Okay, now non-tech. See, just wait. Just wait, guys. Let me execute this again. Sudo. No, it doesn't have a restriction. Okay. Why should it have? See, I'm able to type it everything. Why it should have a restriction? Now, guys, see everyone. Execute this thing. Now, see, it will not work over here. Now, but we can use this thing when we are not using this hyphen. For what? To change the primary group. Okay. How it does be? Let me show you. Now, as of now, What I have? I'm having this thing, see, group space deep. These many groups are there, is it? Now I'm using the same command. See, sudo user mode. Now this time, capital G, small g that you talk about. Now the name of the group that I want to remove. See, deep. From where? From which user you're talking about? Name of the user, deep itself. Will it work or not? Yes? Anyone? Tell me the answer for it. Guys, yes, execute it. I just type in front of you. No changes, is it? Because that is work for the primary group, okay? Now let's discuss it. How should you remove it? Got it? Now, now guys, focus on my screen. Guys, don't get confused. See, now groups deep, is it? What is the primary group over here? Let me know. Look at my screen and let me know what is the primary group over here. What is the primary group over here, guys? Hello, guys. I hope I'm audible for everyone. Deep itself, is it? Now, let me execute that command that we discussed. Sudo user mode. Now, you guys let me know the answer for what is happening. Now, I'm making it tech. Now, the name of the user deep. Tech is the secondary group that I created. Now, again, I'm checking the same thing. What is the primary group now? Tech, is it? Yes. Now see, so what this command will do, it will help you to remove the primary group, change to the secondary group. Is it tech space the name of the user? So it will replace the primary group and it will make the secondary group. Okay. Now everyone focus over here. Now again, sudo this time user mode. Let me execute it, then you will get your answers any. Okay. Hyphen G. Now what I do, users. Everyone, is it done or not? First command is done. First command is done or not, guys? Now, 6 sudo user mode hyphen g. Now, group name. What is the primary group name? Deep, is it? What is the username? Deep. Now, again, groups space deep. The primary group is also there, but now you added deep over here at the secondary group. Earlier, what you does at the small, in the case of hyphen G, you remove that particular part, is it? Yes or no? Guys, is this part is clear now? The difference between hyphen G, capital G, now those who are asking about it. Earlier, you remove that part and replace with the new user. Now here you're not removing it, you are adding it. Is it? Okay, guys. Now you know that how should you create a user, how should you add a group, how should you remove that from user from the group, is it? Now let's discuss how should you delete a user. Now I'm creating one more user. Sudo add user. Let's suppose that I created a user naming Amita itself. Password 1234 1234. Enter. Is this confirmation correct? Yes. Now if I check the information related to this user, this is there. Now how should I delete it? So for that the command is sudo user del. Now name of the user. What is the name of the user? Amita. Enter. Now again if I check the detail, see, no such user. Delete it and let me know it's working or you or not. Check it out. Check the detail. You will get the, now let me list all the group. Get ent space group. Is it? See, Amita is not there. It means that it's deleted. Is it? Is it done, guys? Now see, I'm created this non-tech group also. Is it? Now next thing that how should you delete the group? So sudo. Now instead of user del, now this time group del. Group del. What is the group name? Non-tech. Now again, if you check the list of group, see, non-tech is removed. Guys, still here, everything is clear for everyone. See, all these commands are already written over here. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. And you will get the recording also. I will share this file, so it's easy for you. Guys, still here, everything is clear for everyone. Okay, now the next thing. Now, guys, look at the file that I'm having in this now. Let me create one file. I'm creating a file nano1.txt. Just allow me a minute. Okay. Now, guys, I created one file. I'm writing, let's suppose I'm writing this is B. Okay. Now see. Okay, this is there. Now, if I do ls, it will show me the file. What if I want to get a external detail, other detail, ls-n? Now see, I'm getting all these details. Let me create some folder also, mkdir xy. Okay, one more file I'm creating, 2.txt. I write number. Okay. Now see, if you type ls-net, it will provide the additional information. Now what are the additional information? Look at this screen first, guys. Everyone just notice. Have you noticed something between the file and the folder? In case of the file, guys, see, in case of this file, it is start with this hyphen. See over here. In case of the folder, it is start with the D. This is the first thing that you notice. After that, RWX is written 1, 2, 3, and this Kali Kali. Is it? Yes. D means directory. Now let me explain you with this thing. So here already write it down, guys. So now to be the additional information, you use hyphen M. Hyphen means a regular file. D means folder. Sometimes you can come across with the other thing also. So don't need to worry about this thing. As of now, just focus on this hyphen and D. Hyphen means regular, D means folder. Now we talk about the permission, guys. So with the file and folder, we are having the three kinds of permission. What is the read, write, execute? Now these three permission are for the three people. Who are the three people? First, for the owner who created a file. Group, from which group it is belong. Other. Other means apart from any user that is not part of the same group. So three permission for the owner, three permission for the group, three permission for the other. Is this part is clear, guys, or not? Let me know. I will repeat it if it is not clear. Yes. Is this part is clear? Okay. Now see these three permission, guys. Now look at the screen also. RWX. So how many permission do we have over here for the owner? Tell me, the row that I selected, how many permission do we have for the owner? Read and write. Is it? 2. Read and write. For the group, read and write, execute. And for the other, only read only. Is it? See, other means, guys, let's suppose that as of now we are in the class. So you all the guys are belong to the same group. What is the same group? Cyber class. Now if any other student is there who is part of the data science course, that belongs to the other. Is it? That is what the other means. Now let's discuss about this thing. Now these permission, guys, are having some numbers associated with that. Read having the number 4, write having the number 2, execute having the number 1. Okay, so now if I say I want to give all the permission, I want to give RWX all the permission. So what the number should I add? 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. If I want to give read permission only, I use the number 4. If I want to use only write permission, I give the number 2. If I want to use the permission execute, I give the number 1. Now if I say that I want to use this read and write, guys, read and write permission, what the number should I use for the read and write? 6. Very correct. Now for write and execute permission, 3. Correct. Now for the read and execute only, 5. No permission, that is 0. About these numbers, guys, is it clear? Yes or no? Okay, now let's execute this thing. Now to change a permission, guys, you have the command name in chmod. Now look at the change, guys. As of now, these permission you are having. Now chmod. Okay. Now for the owner, I want to provide all the permission. For this one, I provide all the permission. So I use the number 7. For the group, I want to give all the permission, 7. But for the other, I want to give only the write permission, write for 2. Space, which file I'm talking about? 1.txt. Okay. Now again, if you check the permission, guys, see, it is change. Change permission and let me know it's working for you or not. Then I will see the meaning of the permission. First of all, change the permission, and if it is done, let me know. Okay, done. Okay, now let's understand the meaning of these permission, guys. Now, if you remember, if I ask you what is the what is the use of cat command, guys? Yes, what is the use of cat command? What will happen if I type cat1.txt? See, it will see me the display to see the content. Now, cat having the different uses also, guys. Now, if I want to change something with the cat, how should I do it? Cat this symbol 1.txt. Now, what I want to replace the word, I want to change it to the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now, Control D, two time Control D to save and exit. Control D. What the key combination I use? Control plus D. Now, again, if I execute the cat, see, that is replaced. Replace anything with the cat first, then we can work for it. Replace this word with the cat. Now, what if you don't want to replace, you want to add some extra? In that case, use this double symbol 1.6 txt. Now I add A B C D E in the next line. Control S, sorry, Control D, Control D two times. Again, cat, if you are seeing it, see, A B C D is written. Everyone able to use this thing, cat? Try it out and let me know. Is it done? Is it done or not? Okay. Now see. Now again look at the permission, guys. As of now, I am having all these permission in the 1.txt, is it? Now I'm removing the read permission from it. See, as of now, if I check cat1.txt, it will give me the output, is it? Now I'm removing the read permission. So what should I do? Chmod. I'm giving only write permission. 2 1.txt. Now again, if I check the permission, guys, check permission got changed. Now again, if I execute cat, it will not work. See, permission denied because you don't have a read permission. Try it out. Remove the read permission. Try to check with the cat. It will not work. See, what is the meaning of it, guys? These are the symbolic links. Okay, symbolic means what are the different instances that we are having for this file. This is the only instance. This is the reason one we are having. Now the folder, it is present over here. By using this, you can access through the desktop also. Now Kali means the owner of the file. Who is the owner of this file? Kali, username. Second thing, group where it is belong. Now third thing is the size. Now the modification date. That's it. Why you are able to see that Japanese? Because you are the root having all the permission. This is the reason. Got it? No, guys. See, in the killer coder, you are the root. This is the reason you are able to see. Now, see in my screen, I'm executing the same command. Okay, everyone got the meaning of it. Everyone about now. See, if I remove the return permission from it. Now, if I remove the write permission, see now what I do ch mode. I'm only given read permission to 1.txt. Okay. Now, if I try to this time I want to write something by cat, see permission denied. You're not able to do. Everyone is clear about this read permission and write permission, guys? Give me the confirmation. Yes. Now let's talk about the execute, guys. Now execute permission, guys, where you are using in the shell file where you are writing a script. Okay. So as of now, I'm creating one simple script file for you. So nano 1.sh. That is it. Now I'm writing a command sudo apt update command inside it. Just for your example. This is the command. Now if you check this cat, guys, cat1.sh, this is there. Now what are the permission that you are having for this 1.sh? It having all the permission, not the execute the permission. Now how should you execute it? Dot slash name of the file 1.sh. See, once you execute it, you're not able to execute it. Why you are not able to execute it? Anyone? Why you are not able to execute it? Because see over here we don't have execute permission. No. We don't have execute permission. In the context of permission, I'm asking. X is not permitted. So let's give the permission first. So how should you give it? Ch mode. I give all the permission to 1.sh. Okay. Now if I'm executing the same file again, see it will work. Password asking Kali. Now I'm not executing a command, guys. Sudo apt update. Now I'm executing a file. So whatever the thing script that is written inside it, it will execute it. Everyone got the meaning of this read, write, execute. 777 permission. This is what we discussed, na? First for the permission for the user. See, permission 7 means all the permission. First permission, first RWX is for the owner. Second RWX is for the group. Third RWX for the other. Guys, still here, everything is clear to you? Yes or no? Everyone. So let me share this file to you guys. Okay. Now, when I share this file, you need to go through every command that we discussed from the starting. In case I want to repeat something, you can let me know in the chat section itself. Okay. So just allow me a minute. Let me share it in the chat section itself. Not an issue. See, guys, don't get confused. Just watch the recording and do that command. Okay, again. Because we are discussing some advanced command. It's quite obvious you get confused. Now check the link that I shared. Is it working for everyone? The link that I shared, guys. You will get every command that we discussed so far. Is this link is working, guys? Guys, look at this chat section. I shared one link. Now go through, do one thing. I give you 10 minutes of time from first command to last command. Go to it. If in case I want to repeat any command, you can let me know. I giving you a 10 minutes time for everyone. Go go through every command. I will repeat it in case you're not able to understand any part of it. For the other people, it is clear because I get only the two doubts from the Bhushan and the Mohan. So I'm repeating that part. Okay. Everyone focus over here. So point number. Okay. So okay, that's clear. If it is clear, that's great also. First of all, which point? Fifth, 6.1. Okay. Control X, Japanese, Control X. See, it is written over here. Control X. Okay. So I'm writing it over here. Control plus S to save and Control plus X to exit. Write it down in your note also. Okay, VI. Okay. Yes, VI. Let's cover this VI, guys. Okay, because that is a little bit confusing. This is the reason I not covered it. But let's use it. Now, guys, you know about the nano. Same way we are having this VI editor. Everyone, focus first. VI. Now, what is the name of the file? 1.txt. Same as the nano, guys. This is the second editor. Now, but here the twist is that, guys, you're not able to write it directly. First, you need to go to the insert mode. See, look at the last line. Okay, first of all, do one thing. Let me change the permission of it. Otherwise, we are not able to do so. So, just wait. Okay. Now, everyone focus over here. Vi space 1.txt. Now, look at the last line. This is the last line. You're not able to write it directly. First, you need to go into the insert mode. How should you go it? Press I from the keyboard. Now, look at the change, guys, at the last. I am pressing I from the keyboard. Insert. Now, you type it. Once you type it, you need to go back to the insert. So, how should you do it? Escape button. Escape. Now, after that, colon WQ to save and exit. Colon WQ. Enter. Now, again, if you check that cat 1.txt, see, I'm repeating it again. See, open with the VI. You're not to write it directly. First, you need to go into the insert mode. Look at the last line. I'm pressing I from the keyboard. I. Okay, insert. Type something. Now to go back to the file again, escape button, then colon WQ like this. Enter your exit. Got it? Is it clear you, Mohan? Is it clear for you? Now fifth number, I write about the CD command. CD is used for the navigation. So as of now, where I'm in the desktop. I want to go inside this X. What should I do? CD space X. See, PWD. I want to go inside white. What I type? CD home Kali. The path where you want to go basically. Where I want to go? I want to go inside this Y. See, now PWD change Y. See, Pankaj, that is a different editor. VI is a different editor, Nano is a different editor. It's the same as there is a Samsung smartphone, there is Xiaomi smartphone. What is the difference? Both are the different smartphone, is it? But at the level, what they are? They both are the smartphone. Same way, those are the text editor that we are having. Different text editor. I hope you get the meaning of it. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Every command, is there any confusion, any issue for anyone? Everything is clear? Just do watch the recording, try to practice all the commands once again, guys. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining this session. Okay, 16 point. Let's discuss about the 16th one. 16 is the C, same. Now I'm the normal user. How should I check it? Who am I? I'm the Kali. It means that I'm the normal user. How should I identify it? I'm the normal user by using this shell dollar symbol. Okay. Now I want to switch to the root. What should you do? Sudo su. That is the command to switch to the root user. Now again, if I take who am I? Root. Now if I type exit with a root user, what will happen? You are switching to the normal user. But if you type exit in the normal user,
it closed the terminal. Yes, it's totally up to you, Pankaj, which editor you want to go. I hope now it's clear for everyone. Again, see, normal means limited permission. Root, superuser, admin means all the permission. For example, let's suppose that you want to update your system. Simple example I am telling you. I want to update my system. If I execute this command, apt upgrade, it will not work. It is saying permission denied. I'm not able to execute this permission. But with the root, if I'm the root, now see, I'm the root, I'm executing the same permission, same command. I'm easily able to do so. That is the difference. I hope it's clear to you. Guys, for everyone, every command is clear now. Give me the final confirmation. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the today's session. Just revise everything, go to the recording, go to the command. In case you stuck somewhere, just drop a mail to the support@intellipath.com. I will help you out again in the one-to-one session. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a great night. Okay, please do revise everything. Watch the recording, practice it. Yeah, thank you. Guys, we are done with the session. You can leave now. Thank you so much. Guys, if you attend this session, the attendance is already marked. Don't worry about it. Thank you so much.